Investing in cryptocurrencies isn't easy. Cryptocurrency markets are unregulated, unlike traditional markets where everybody plays nice. Cryptocurrency markets are full of volatility, ruthless people, and beyond normal price movements. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 5 worst cryptocurrency investment mistakes everybody should avoid making. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Beyond 10x, where we get to talk about cryptocurrency related material. I go by the name of Muna, and you are welcome to the 10x family. If you guys really want to make 10 times your money, all you have to do is smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, because it really helps my channel grow. Mistake numero uno is all about not knowing exactly what you're getting yourself into. As cliche as that sounds, a lot of people really neglect to do their own due diligence. Investing in cryptocurrencies is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There's a lot of craziness to deal with, especially in the cryptocurrency markets, because you guys are going to be dealing with a whole lot of problems. Pump and dumps, crazy shady developers, price manipulation, and a whole lot of chaos. Before you ever get to buy your first Bitcoin, just try to do a little bit of research. Try to go back as far as, I don't know, 2008, and just try to look at the history. All I'm trying to say is you guys better understand what the market is all about. Вторая ошибка, aka mistake number 2. Try to learn as much technical analysis as you can. I really can't stress how important technical analysis is, but all I can tell you is you're going to end up saving a whole lot of money. Learning the basics of technical analysis is going to allow you, or rather it's going to prevent you from investing into cryptocurrencies at the wrong time. If you ever really want to lose money at a very fast pace, all you gotta do is buy the top. I've got a personal experience, and trust me, you don't really want to buy the top because you're going to end up losing a whole lot of money. Here's a practical example. Remember January 2018 when a lot of people really made a whole lot of money when the price of Bitcoin was around 20,000 US dollars? Guess what? That was the wrong time to invest in cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. So if you knew a little bit of technical analysis, you would have obviously received the red lights. You wouldn't have invested at those price areas, or rather those price points, because the charts were telling you not to do so. Regardless of how bullish the markets are, there's always better opportunities to get in and save a lot of money. If only a lot of people really waited for about 9 months, they would have better opportunities to buy Bitcoin. Look at the price of Bitcoin right now. Right now, the current price of Bitcoin is about 3,900 US dollars. And if you guys really get to compare with its all-time high from about 17,000 US dollars, you would have saved tons of money. But of course, everybody wants to make a quick buck. Just wait for the right opportunity, and with a little bit of technical analysis knowledge, you guys are going to be making tons of money. Do not ever FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't ever do that. You guys better be stingy with your money. You have to be frugal. Before you ever buy any cryptocurrencies, you have to do your own due diligence. Search everything, research, do a forensic background check. Just try to make sure that whatever you are investing in is totally worth it. Speaking about technical analysis, there's a few basic principles that you guys obviously have to get accustomed to or acquainted with. The few things that I personally encourage you guys to check out is obviously the Fibonacci levels, the resistance, support indicators, MACD, EMS, plus the Elliott waves. There's actually no reason for you to pay extra amount of money to be part of a trading group, because those guys are just basically going to be using these very same principles. So I really encourage everybody who happens to be part of the 10x family to always take the initiative to do things on their own, because by the end of the day, you're just going to be able to save a whole lot of money. So please check out all the links in the description. All these TA principles are literally going to take you less than 10 hours. Yep, you heard me right, less than 10 hours, and you guys are going to be pros. So feel free to check on YouTube, read a little bit of articles about these different technical analysis principles, and you guys are going to be good to go. Ошибка номер 3, third mistake that almost everybody makes. Please, this is very important. Do not ever join pump and dump groups, because they're just going to end up grabbing and taking your hard earned money. Whoever is going to tell you that they're going to be able to like help you make a lot of money in a very short period of time is lying. I was part of this pump and dump group. We were using trading bots and we were able to like manipulate the prices and be able to like earn. Am I incriminating myself? That was a fictional story. I totally made that up. I just really wanted to get my point across so that you guys can really understand how ruthless these pump and dump groups are. Ребята, послушайте меня, пожалуйста. Mistake number 4. Please do not ever invest in vaporware. I mean, before you invest in any particular cryptocurrency project, you have to look at their GitHub. Try to look at their code. Are these people developing amazing products? Are they active? Are the developers developing on this particular blockchain? Because a lot of cryptocurrency blockchain projects are full of Mistake number 5. Try to use stop limits. A lot of people really say stop losses, but I mean stop limits, stop losses, it doesn't really matter. For different cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, they really allow you to like set these automatic triggers. Like for example, I really got to like save a whole lot of money when the price of Bitcoin dropped from about $6,200 all the way to about $3,600 because I was able to utilize a stop limit. So if you guys don't really know exactly how to use stop limits, all you gotta do is let me know in the comment section below. If you really want me to like dive deep and show you exactly how I go about doing stop limits on Binance, please let me know, because if I go into stop limits right now, it's really going to be like a 1 hour long video, and you guys are obviously busy. I really appreciate you and you guys are like super important. So all I'm going to say is please utilize stop limits. That's about it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope that you had a great time. I go by the name of Mona, and please be part of the 10x family where we get to talk about cryptocurrency related material and a whole lot of investment related material as well. So I hope you guys really found this very educative and very entertaining. I hope so. Feel free to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. You know this, I'm going to be dropping another video obviously tomorrow, and I have a very good topic for you guys tomorrow. So hopefully I'm going to be able to see your lovely faces. Be blessed, be safe, and take care. I'm a stylish guy. Spend a little guap when a nigga like me. We can catch a fly. Said she wanna rock when a nigga like me.